Hey, what's up? It's Nick, and in this video, I'm going to show you an in-depth look behind the scenes of my all-in-one business management tool. So here's my website. You're able to look at it from this end, and you're able to go in here and literally edit any single page. On the page, you could select any different piece of content and then literally fill it with things. You'll see here there's other places to put different elements. You're able to put literally whatever it is that you want or need. And it's very simple. It's a drag and drop builder. You're able to go ahead and edit any single piece of this. Say I wanted to make these square edges round. Could just go over here and put this, and then it edits the element. This is a picture that I could just add pictures just by clicking on it. And there you have it. You just added the element to the page. You're able to literally edit any single piece of content on here. You just hit update and then you'll be able to see it. So I'm not going to update this because that's not what I want on the page, but that's just an example of it. Now, if you click this little button over here, then you're in your back end. So this is where I'm able to create pages for my website. I could create a new one, or I could go and edit any single page that I have here. And then there's something else that you could do as well. So that's a website page, and then we also have what's called funnel pages. So what a funnel is a web page that you're able to basically put people through a logical sequence without them being able to navigate anywhere. If you notice on my website page, I had the home, about, contact, services, all those buttons. This makes it so that they can't really go anywhere. They just follow the sequence. They watch the video. They're able to type in their information if they want what you have to offer. And that's pretty much it for the funnel page, but it works just the same way. You have all the same functionality as you do with the website page. So going back to the back of the dashboard, then we have something called plugins. So this is what makes it an all-in-one business management tool, because you're able to add any plugin that you possibly could want. There's hundreds of thousands of them, both free and paid, but I've made it so that you're able to do everything that you need to grow your business online all in one place. So these are some of the plugins that I use to be able to do that. One of them is called HubSpot. You'll see here you're able to you're able to upload contacts. You're able to create forms that you're able to get people's name, email, and phone number from. You are able to create live chat bots on your website or on your social media pages. You're able to email people directly from within this same tool, and then a whole bunch of other things like reporting. And we'll just jump right into that really quick. So right here is where you're able to import all of the contacts that you already have for your business, or you could create new contacts here. And then you have the same functionality for companies. Say that you are working with people's companies, then you could do that here. And then here you're able to look at all of the activity that's been done in the recent past within your business, and then you're able to create lists here. So this is where you're able to segment different lists. So say that you have new leads coming in, or that you have an existing list of people who you've already done business with. That's just an example. You could segment lists in a whole bunch of different ways, but this makes it so that you're able to easily send bulk messages to people on either of those lists. Say that like you want to email a special that you're having to leads that have never bought from you. You're able to segment people based off of that criteria, and you're able to go ahead and start emailing them, messaging them in bulk or individually. And then same thing for people that have already bought from you. Say that you want to do something like get reviews from them. You could email them right here with a segmented list. So speaking about conversations, then you have your inbox. So here's where all of the leads that you collect from your website will go, and then anybody who emails you from whatever, you could set up any email box that you already have in here, and basically you'll be able to have all the conversations that you need with these people. So then you're able to create chatbots. So you could either do it from your website or from something like your Facebook business page. And that's very simple. Let me go ahead and just turn it on here. And then I'll go back to my website. And then it pops up right here. So this is basically for anybody who lands on your website who you aren't able to connect with right away. You could create a chat bot to be able to put them through a sequence to get information about what they're looking for, so that when you do go to finally contact them, you are able to help them more efficiently and faster. So then there's snippets. This is basically a place that you could create something once and then send to people multiple times. Say like you get frequently asked questions. This is a place where you're able to go ahead and give just a canned response. Uh, for example, like I put here for mine pricing. So a lot of times people are asking me, how much something like this costs. So then I just go ahead and put all of the pricing for my services. I could just send that very easily to someone who sends me an email about that. And then you got templates. So the same thing with emails. Uh, you're able to make email templates. So this is basically the same thing, but in a longer format. So you're able to do exactly what I just said with the snippets, but here through email. With the snippets, you're able to do it basically in multiple different places. And if you're interested in this, we'll get into all of that. This is just kind of like a demo. But then you're able to do marketing. So say that you're already doing paid advertising on like Facebook, uh, Google, or LinkedIn, then you're able to connect your ad accounts here and then be able to find all of your lead gen, and then it could go right into here, all the contacts that you're getting through the form on that particular advertisement. So then you have your email marketing tool. So you're able to create multiple different emails. Say that you basically collected leads through like a newsletter or just through a lead magnet, and you're able to go in here and create a bunch of different emails that you could send to people every day who are on your email list, so that you can nurture them over time and build a relationship and then make more sales with doing less work. So then you have forms. Here you're able to create a form, a capture form, where you could get people's name, email, phone number, address, whatever it is that you're looking for. There's multiple different ways to do this. This is a place that you look at all of the stats for your particular forms. When you create a form, you can see how it's performing on your website. And then this is what the form editor looks like. It's a drag and drop builder, just like the website tool. So this is where you're able to get people's first name, last name, email, phone number, street address, city, state, whatever it is that you could possibly need. It's a very easy drag and drop builder. And then you have your sales area. So this is where you're able to do deals. It's called a pipeline. So this is where you're able to see conversations that you've already had with people. You're able to put them in their prospective order. So say that you already scheduled an appointment with someone, you could put it here. But say that you went on the appointment and they became a qualified lead, then you could put them here. And then say that you have a 2-step process or a couple step process of your sales cycle. After they become a qualified lead, then you could put them here into presentation scheduled. You could present your demo. Say the decision maker bought, there's a contract option. You put the contract sent, and then you could put whether you won or lost the deal. And here is where you put it for a win. Here's where you put it for a loss. So it tracks all of the necessary information that you need. So here you'll notice that the deal amount was for $500. If you click on the deal, then you could put all of the specifications within the deal, like exactly what service they are interested in or that they bought, and then you're able to see all of the data with that, and we'll get into that a little in the future. So then you have task and project management. So this is where you're able to create a task, and you could title what it is, what type of task it is, whether it's a to do, to call, to email, and then the priority level. So whether it's low, medium, or high, and then you could associate it with whoever is on your team. So you could have as many team members as you need on here. So basically, you could keep track of what your employees are doing as well. And then you could see exactly what time it's due, and then put any notes for the reminder. So this is how you're able to keep track of your tasks within your business, but also the projects that you might have with any clients or customers. So then after the tasks, we have documents. You're able to upload any documents here that you'd be attaching into emails, so that you could just click it with just a click of a button in an email, so that you don't have to go and find it in your computer or wherever your documents lie. It just makes it easy to hit a button and send documents that you are constantly sending out through email or wherever. And then here's your scheduling tool. So I have basically a discovery session. If you go onto my website, you'll see exactly what it looks like from the front end. So this is what it looks like. You're able to go ahead and click a day and then a time, and then your customers or your clients will be able to fill out their name, email, and then you're able to add a bunch of other things. This is another type of form, and then all that data gets put right back into here. This is the back end, so you're able to edit this, basically put all of the criteria that you need. Basically, you could put it in person meeting, the location, or an online meeting if you do like Zoom calls and stuff like that. You're able to just edit every single piece of this scheduling tool. And then after that, we got the products that you have. You're able to add any products that you may have, the prices. You're able to put the picture of the product here, and then this just makes it so that you're able to really just send the product to someone through email or through any of the conversation sessions that you have, and you're able to go ahead and just give people exactly what they want very fastly. They're able to buy right from here. And then you're also able to give people quotes. So this is what the quotes form looks like on the front end. So you're able to just click a button and attach this to an email when people ask you for a quote, or basically to send it anywhere. It's just a link. So this is very simple too. You're able to just go in here and create a deal that it's associated with, and then you're able to go ahead and send them a quote through the pipeline. And then from there, you have tickets. So this is basically whenever someone messages you with a issue, you're able to create a ticket. This is so that you're able to go ahead and distinguish in your tasks the different type of tasks that you might have. So this is where people are looking for support. You're able to create a ticket and get them the support that they need. This is just to be able to distinguish this from your personal tasks that you have. And then I just want to jump in here real quick and go kind of more in depth with the contacts option. So you're able to go ahead and put people's name, their first name and last name. You're able to put their email, their photo. You're able to put any notes about them and their business. You're able to create an email straight from here. Calling them, you're able to create a task right from here, book a meeting from here, and there's a whole bunch of other ones. Log SMS, log a LinkedIn message, just anything that you could possibly want to do to be able to contact these contacts. And then over here, you're able to put more information about their email, their phone number, name, last contacted, what part of the life cycle they're in. So whether they're just a subscriber, a lead, a marketing qualified lead, sales qualified lead, anything that you could possibly label these leads as. You're able to put their city, everything, and then you're able to see their actual web activity, like how many times they visited your sites, how many pages they viewed, all that good stuff. And then over here, you could see your recent communications, uh, the company that they're associated with, if they have a company, the tickets that they have, any orders that they have with the products that you created in the products thing, and then you're able to see all of the activities more in depth. So exactly all of the touch points that you've had with them, and then again you're able to see the notes, emails that you send to them, calls, tasks, meetings, anything that you could possibly need more in depth. And then over here, there's just more information that you would need to be able to do business with them. So then we're going to go to reporting, and then you're able to see your dashboards. So you're able to make multiple dashboards based off of the type of data that you're looking for, whether it's basically lead data, sales data, email data. You're able to customize this. There's multiple options. You could make reports, and then you're able to just look at things in a more in-depth way. So this is basically the back-end data after people have already come into your system. Now, if we get out of here, we're able to see the front, more of the front-end data. So basically, this is where you're able to look at what's happening on your website before people become a lead. So you'll be able to see like how much traffic you're getting, like what pages they're looking at, how many sessions they have, the average duration that they're staying on your page, and then how fast they're actually leaving your page. You're able to see this where they're coming from in regards of basically the platform. So you'll see that there's people coming in from Facebook over here, and then you'll see that most of the people who are coming through are from the United States. So you're able to track all that data, and then let's see. You have everything that you need here. So basically this is your cookies policy. So you can generate a cookies policy. You have more in-depth options for analytics, like the Google Analytics tool. You're able to redirect pages. Say like you want to redirect a page to like a Facebook group or something that you have, you're able to do that here. You have even stronger security so that you know that all of your data is completely safe. And then you have options to be able to back up or restore your website. And that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial here and that it gave you a more in-depth look at exactly what we do here at the Free Software Solution. So just to let you know, this is all custom made. You are able to go to something like ClickFunnels. They do this same exact thing. They do it for you, like it's already done for you. You could either pay $100 a month or you could get like a discount to pay yearly. But it still comes out to roughly $1,000 a year. And basically, if you were to have someone do this for you, it would cost around $2,500 because it's like a one-time payment and you get it for the lifetime of your business. Basically, right now I'm having a deal where I'm doing this all for $250. So if you like the sound of that, then go ahead and click the button below and then we could get you set up. So thanks for watching and have a great day.